If you want to run Facebook ads, you only need one tool. Crush is an AI media buyer for Facebook and Instagram. You don't need to open Facebook Ads Manager, design creatives, copies, setting up campaigns. Crush can do everything for you. And I'm going to show you how to set up. So let's start. You have to insert your website URL. It has to be specific product, not your full website. Second of all, the AI is going to import your brand colors, text, pain points. You have to insert your brand logo and you have to insert your product, because it's more precise creative generation that way. Later on, you have to connect your Facebook Ads Manager. Once again, you have to set up your pixel, ads account, etc. But once it's done, you have to never do it again. Like, it's a one-time only. If you're not good with tech, just do it once, forget about it, and that's about it. Crush runs everything else. Right now, you have to define your setup. Is it sales? Is it leads? What you want to achieve with your actual media buying? In most of the cases, I recommend sales and purchases, unless you have, plumbing business, something doing with leads, calls, and long attribution windows. As for the locations, choose your locations, like you can even choose a city. As for your daily budget, even if you don't have a lot of money, set it as high as you can. Crush is not going to spend more than that on creative tests. If your ads are winning and scaling, that means it's going to increase the budget to the daily budget cap. So if the project is winning for you, Crush is going to say, okay, let's do more budget. We want your project to succeed, so we're going to increase the money. And right now we're in the project. So we can actually select any ad from competitors. So right now I'm selecting ads from Mudwater, Neotonic, etc. And we can later on select ads from templates. And you can choose any settings. So it's your write original ad copy, or you want specific customized copy based on their templates. And let's see what we can actually get. This is the ad, nootropics that actually taste good. So you can see on the left side, creatine that actually tastes good. On the right side, that's our product, right? You can change any copy with edit button. So in this case, healthy and energy focus. And what we can have, new electrolyte flavors. So it's completely different, but they're the same template, so you don't have to waste money on creative testing. So in this case, you can change color to blue. Feel free to change whatever you want. And these are the ads that we've just generated. And if you want to launch everything, you press add campaign and select generated assets, or you can upload your own assets from your device. So it's videos, etc. Right now, I'm selecting all the ads. So for creatives, let's put it this way. And this is how they're going to look. Right? It's the same layout as Facebook Ads Manager, so it's pretty simple. You can edit any copy that you like, and after you press launch for ads, it's going to instantly go into your Ads Manager and it's going to be instantly launched. So in this case, it's test ad account. So if we go here, we can actually see that ads are being launched, and they're going to be scaled for the upcoming 2 days. If they're winning, they're going to be scaled even more. If they're losing, they're going to be stopped, so you don't waste any more budget. So this system is built to actually improve your metrics, improve your media buying, and help small businesses grow. And that's it, guys. That's how you run Facebook ads with AI. You don't use Claude, you don't use ChatGPT, whatever, because you might get banned. That's the problem. With people automizing Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or anything like that, they might get banned because there's issues with connection from Claude to Facebook ads. And you have to get official permission to actually run the ads on behalf of, with AI. So yeah, just be cautious. And if you want to try the software, there's a discount code called YouTube, and you get 20% off at the discount. So see you guys.